Hi everyone, today I'm going to review Sofirn SP32 version 2.0 LED flashlight. This flashlight is using XPL2 LED and 18650 lithium ion battery. As you can see, this is a 18650 battery. For this test, I'm using LG 18650 battery. As you can see, this is a XPL2 LED. This flashlight is using a smooth reflector. The maximum brightness of this flashlight is 1300 lumens. Color temperature for this flashlight is 5700 K, which is a neutral white. Maximum distance of throw for this flashlight is 153 meters as written inside user manual. For that, I show you the user manual first. When you purchase, you get this card, happy and not happy, and then all the details are here written, and then this one is a user manual. The most important page is this page. It has two groups. Group 1, when we press 1 is echo 5 lumens. Second is low 50 lumens. Third is mid 160 lumens, and fourth is high. High is 500 lumens. Double click for turbo mode. Double click. Turbo mode is 1300 lumens. Triple click for strobe. This is triple click. To change from group 1 to group 2 in off mode, we press long press until it blinks 3 times. For second group 2 is ramping mode. When we press and hold, it will become brighter, increase the brightness, and then we press and hold to decrease the brightness. Double click for turbo. Triple click for strobe. Single click for off. When we on, you can see this have a green LED light, means battery indication. Green means the battery is still good. Again, I show you the LED. As you can see, it's XPL2 LED with a smooth reflector. As you can see, it's a very small flashlight. It's a very handy flashlight, and then inside you get a spare lanyard and also user manual. So you can see the word written Sofirn SP32A V2.0. After this, I will test this flashlight in a dark place for better review. So this is the test for Sofirn SP32A version 2. So I start from the lowest mode first. As you can see, so it's a economy mode, and then second is low mode. The third, medium. Very floody beam also. The fourth, high mode, quite floody. And then I will go to turbo mode. This is turbo mode, 1300 lumens. It is very bright and very floody, as you can see. It has a little bit of focus also. This is a very good flashlight. It's worth to buy. So I also recommend this flashlight, Sofirn SP32A. Okay.